breaking news that's coming in at the moment. This is related to the 2020 Northeast Delhi riots case. There's trouble for Delhi's Law Minister Kapil Mishra. The court has ordered an FIR against Kapil Mishra. The court has also called for further probe into this entire riots case. My colleague Dipankar is joining us with more on this. Dipankar, what more details do you have?
Well, the Delhi Rouse Avenue Court has allowed for further investigation into this allegation regarding the Delhi riots 2020 that had occurred in the northeast area of the Delhi. And the court has said that further investigation is required against Kapil Mishra. The court has also, the Delhi court observed whilst passing the order, said that cognizable offence is made out, prima facie cognizable offence has been made out against Kapil Mishra, and thus further probe is necessary into this matter. The Delhi court has also said that there were instances which the material that had been given showed that Kapil Mishra was present in the area while the riots were taking place on the 23rd of February 2020, and thus it requires further investigation. Remember, one Ilyas had approached the Delhi court seeking registration of FIR against Kapil Mishra and 4 other accused in this matter, and the Delhi police had said that preliminary inquiry had suggested that there no evidence was there was no incriminating evidence against Kapil Mishra. The court has now directed the Delhi police to further investigate the matter and to present an action taken report before the Delhi court.
Right, Dipankar, thanks very much for joining us at the moment and getting us those details. So we'll have to wait and see how this investigation really unfolds. The Delhi Rouse Avenue Court now permitting this probe to continue and opening up the case against Kapil Mishra in the 2020 Northeast Delhi riots case.